I got a 2011 Infiniti G37X. Typical plug installation, throttle body cleaning. I've already removed the top cover. It has 4 10mm bolts and the cover come off, and this is what we got right here. Next I will move the both intakes, tubes on both sides. This on. Okay, let me get my set of pliers here. Take this tube off. Okay. Get my screwdriver.
Alright guys, here's a quick setup. Cylinder 1, pressure transducer installed. That's on.
Let's see, come on out.
Channel 2 is going to be a
Check that out.
current going through coil number 1. Spark plug is still grounded.
Okay. That's one tube off. Take the next one off. On the right side.
Oh, we got 5 pounds of compression. That's fantastic.
Okay.
Fun time.
Put this off here.
Alright, so obviously timing is way out on this thing. You can see the spark is occurring after TDC. We can do the exact remeasurement. About 6 degrees
Take this off of here.
after TDC. And our maximum compression is 4 psi. Dropping down to -2. Can we say exactly which cam is out? I mean, for curiosity, you can say, well, I guess the intake valve is closing right about here. Bottom dead center, TDC,
Tube number 2.
This should be an intake stroke, and then you should have compression.
Alright, let me go over here.
Compression.
On this side.
This is at 604 degrees. That's 7.
I can rotate this out the way.
640. 650, and we're only compressing to 720.
Let's see. Remove this.
The compression be a little
Out the way.
than that, but these
Lift
are
this
also
up.
wash down. Then what happens here?
Take this
the
off.
vacuum. It looks like the exhaust valve only opens way late
Take that off.
at 240 degrees instead of around 180. So it's like 60 degrees too late.
Take that tube out of the way.
60 degrees looks like.
And that'll allow me to get to
Timing.
this first coil.
It's a timing chain of
Get out. Remove this, unplug it.
picture of
Coil number 1. Get my
there it is.
spark plug here.
Data, we have nice pictures. Dual overhead cam. Intake, exhaust. Pretty classic layout.
Drop the plug.
Engine oil.
Check the gap. Make sure it didn't damage it. Put it in here. Get my extension.
It's completely black. I mean, that's disgusting.
Put that here.
I shouldn't touch this with my finger. It looks a little
Okay.
sparkly.
Spark plug.
Obviously, it's not very well maintained.
Coil number 1.
Out. Unfortunate.
That.
So that's the end of the smart card.
Okay.
Appreciate
A
everyone
magnet.
watching. Stay tuned for more. I really want to take this thing on a test track, but it's a beach whale. I think it's going to the crusher, kind of where it belongs. Kind of a useless vehicle. But
Alright, plug number 1. Got that out.
that's the end of the diagnosis.
Put that in here. Come on, man.
Hyundai Tucson versus Toyota RAV4. Look what Tucson has and what RAV4 doesn't. Hyundai Tucson.
Okay.
Every time.
Pretty soon.